Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. You can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside. Thank you guys for sending this unit. And here we go. Whoa. Dareu Bird LM138. Alright, this is Dareu Bird LM1138G. Some kind of like an alien ship looking mouse. It has connection 2.4 wireless, 10 meters working, 6 buttons, track speed. Ooh. 2.4 wireless transmission. Unique design. That is true. Let's get inside the box. This is pretty cool though. So if you're looking for some new mouse, definitely check these guys out. Click that link down below. And get one now. Maybe for your father and for yourself. Nice little Father's Day gift. Especially if he's a gamer. Whoa. Kind of looks like that Star Wars ship. Or Boba Fett. Nice slick design. I think in here is a USB. Yep, I'm going to need a battery. See the USBs right there? Just got to pull it out. Boom. And this is going to be a AA. 1 second. Alright, here we go. Got the Amazon Basic. Pop that in. So we got the on and off switch here. The easy glide, so it'll be nice and smooth glide. Looks like a fan. It feels good though. Clicky, clicky. Definitely cool. Can put this back on. Oops, wrong way. There we go. Hit the switch. Got the light on. Got the sides right here. Time to plug her in. Alrighty guys, we got the USB plugged in. Right there in the middle. Automatically it picked up, so I didn't have to do no configuration. And you can see down here, it lights up. This is so weird at first, but look at this. Just gotta move it around. It's smooth. And right here, this one is a trackball or the spin. I think this is click on. No, must be the side. Try to figure out as we go. Oh, that's why it popped up over here. Okay, it's this button. This is pretty cool though. Alright. I'm liking this. A really nice mouse. Kind of looks like a mouse in a way. or more like an alien spaceship. So really cool design, super comfy. Like I said, this is my first time using one of these. You guys can tell that. Not an expert, but yeah, this is a right click. And then pretty much that's it. So easy to set up, good for laptops, you name it. Dareu, check them out. My link will be down below. It lights up right there. Nice red eye. That's probably for the speed. Yeah, that's for the speed control. You can see it going faster. Alright. There you go, different color. Purple. Alright, YouTubers, click that link, add it to your cart, check out, have a good night.